Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good, staying safe and staying happy. Welcome back on Spices and More. In today's video, I got for you yet another easy and quick snack recipe, as I always try my best to get the easy recipes for you all. And this is Barbecue Nation style Cajun potatoes. Very easy to prepare and an excellent snack. And this is one of the favorite of every kid, I suppose. So let's start. For that I've taken about 20 baby potatoes. I've cleaned it, washed it thoroughly, and I'll add it into a pressure cooker. Now add little water and little salt and pressure cook it for about 2 whistles. Don't make it too mushy or too soft. So since these are baby potatoes, it doesn't take much time. Within 2 whistles it will be cooked properly. Next, in a bowl I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And here we are preparing batter to fry those baby potatoes. Next I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. Now this is organic one, so it is not fully white in color. And then I added 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. So I used mixed herb. If you don't have, you can add basil, oregano separately. And then I'll be adding salt as per taste. Now add little water and make a batter. The water is at room temperature. Add little water so that lumps are not formed. And then form the batter as shown in the video. We need this consistency, that is the flowing consistency. Don't make it too thick. So next I have taken 1 baby potato and I'll just press it with the palm, and as you can see it should be like this. You need to flatten it. Don't press it very hard, just till it flattens properly. And I kept the skin of the potatoes, no need of discarding it. So these are about 20 potatoes. Next I'll dip those potatoes into the batter that we prepared earlier. And as you can see, the thin layer is formed, and now fry it in a oil. So I'll start placing one by one. Once they are fried, just flip it over and fry it on the other side as well. You need to fry them until they turn crisp. And since we have pressure cooked these potatoes, it doesn't take much time. And now once done, remove it on the tissue paper so that the excess oil will be released on the tissue paper. So I'll remove out all the potatoes on the tissue paper. And now you can hear the sound, it's very crisp. Now let's prepare the sauce for this. For that I've taken about 2/3 cups of mayonnaise. This is plain mayonnaise. Next I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. And I'll be adding 1 small onion which I have chopped very finely. This sauce is very creamy and very tasty. Next I'll be adding little chili powder. Now here you can increase or decrease the spiciness. And then 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs again. Give it a mix. Mix it properly till well combined. Once this is mixed properly, I'll be adding little milk and then make it a pouring consistency sauce. The milk is also of the room temperature, not cold nor very hot. Again give it a mix. Combine it very nicely. Now you can see we need this consistency of the sauce, that is the pouring consistency. And then I tasted it little and I added little more chili powder and then about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Again give it a mix. As I said earlier, the spiciness entirely depends on you. You can skip it as well. If your kids don't like spicy sauce, you can skip it. So now let's start plating. So first I'll place the potatoes that we fried earlier. And then I'll top it with the sauce that we prepared. Isn't it looking very tempting and mouth-watering? Very easy to prepare and a quick snack if you expect any guest. And our Barbecue Nation cousin potato is ready to be served. I'm sure you are going to love this recipe. Please give it a try. Let me know your review and suggestions in a comment section below. I will love to hear it from you. Please like this recipe, share this recipe with your friends and family, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed so far. Thank you for watching. See you in my next interesting videos. Take care and bye-bye.